Hi again, I'm Phil, Managing Director of Anyware Web Marketing. So I found myself standing on Silverstream Bridge, watching however many cubic tonnes per second of Hutt River cruising lazily by below. My friends had jumped, and I was the last. It's a scary thing for a 12-year-old with no confidence to jump 20 feet into a river. Fortunately, peer pressure got the better of me. I could see they were alive. I could hear the euphoric screams. The river plummeted towards me, and I knew I would die. The water slapped me like a concrete fist. It was freezing. I was upside down, disoriented. I couldn't breathe. Now I was the one yelling and euphoric. This taught me something about the choices we make in life. Should I stand on that bridge and stare at the water forever while everyone else reaps their reward? Or should I stick with what I know after head office pulled the plug on our project and sent 300 people home? Should I find another cubicle career or take the scariest plunge of all and have a crack at starting my own business? Building websites. Something that gives me a twinge of guilt when I use the word work to describe it. I took that leap in 1999. I had no idea how to build a decent website or run a business, and I made every mistake. But I learned too. One thing I learned was what I can achieve when I love my work this much. Then I learned that if I can be that productive, what happens if I can help my team love their work too? The thing about being productive and loving your work is that we're not just grinding through the daily motions and waiting until 5 o'clock. We come up with some pretty cool stuff. We give a lot to our clients. We make their lives simpler, their businesses easier to run. Their experience with Anyware is a pleasure. This results in a certain quality of client for Anyware. They listen to our ideas and follow our advice. They pay their bills on time and they appreciate what we do for them. They become our raving fans. They're a joy to work with. It's fun, satisfying, and the sense of contribution that we get is just amazing. Can you see how this compounds? I'll show you some of the sites I'm talking about. I'll keep this quick and I won't show you them all because you can see them on our portfolio page. People we work with include Holy Bagels, Home Ideas Centre in Tony, and Zudu. We create designs that range from standardised templates, simple custom designs, to high-end branding. Our designers always do an amazing job and we always take care of our client's brand even when using a basic template. You can see more on our portfolio page. More important than design is target market. We teach our clients to understand and attract their best customers. This process has remarkable similarities with finding new team members. The better I understand the ideal person to join the Anyware team, the more likely I am to find you. The essence of what we do is to create websites that are the foundation for our clients' marketing machines. When those foundations are strong, all their marketing gets easier and more effective. Email, video, search engines, word of mouth, everything. After their website is built, we help them figure out what other online marketing will add value for them, and then we help them implement it. Anywhere is structured so that each developer has a clearly defined role and is able to focus on that role. Your initial focus will be writing the HTML, CSS and PHP code for websites, built with our Content Manager and with WordPress, once we've shown you how our Content Manager and WordPress thing work. As you become familiar with our systems, you'll take over first level technical support from our senior developer, who will be your second level support and your technical mentor. Over time, you'll get up to speed with Shopify, BigCommerce, WordPress, WooCommerce and CodeIgniter, and when you're ready, you will assist with development of more complex WordPress and e-commerce builds, and our internal CodeIgniter systems, including our Content Manager. You'll assist with training clients to use our Content Manager, WordPress or their new shopping cart. Most of our training will be on the job, either guided by the team or using Google. We'll take this one step at a time and nobody gets thrown in the deep end. When we find a new way to do something technical, you will be responsible for writing a simple process so that we can do it again quickly and easily and consistently in the future. And you'll always be on the lookout for ways to improve our systems and our processes. Anyware is a tight-knit team and we are very supportive of each other. Part of this is being able to cover each other when somebody is away or unusually busy. This is also a great way to build websites as quickly as possible so clients keep coming back for more. There will be plenty of overlap between your role and our senior developer's role. As well as helping you to get up to speed, our senior developer can help with all the aspects of your role to clear the workload as required. And as you grow into the role, you'll be able to do the same for him. These overlaps can easily break down into chaos if we share tasks in a disorganised fashion. I learned this the hard way. I knew the value of people being able to support and back each other up, but I don't come from a background of management or being the one who figures out how to organise and lead the team. So we experienced some of that chaos before I learned the importance of focus. The key to making this work well is knowing your primary roles, focusing on them 90% of the time, and then backing up and supporting each other when you need to. It all works well in a culture where ownership and responsibility is strong. Working from home could become isolated and evolve into cabin fever, and we reckon we've found just about the right balance of human interaction and uninterrupted productive time in our home offices. We have regular phone, Skype and email communication with clients and the rest of the team, and we meet monthly at my place for team meetings. For the other 3 weeks, the team meeting is held over the phone. We've settled on this balance because it gives us the greatest amount of productive time and the balance of human contact that my team requested after trying lots of different combinations. You know, there's a real problem in the job market. Too many people send their CV to every job they can find and cross their fingers and hope they'll get a job interview. This flood of resumes makes it really hard for employers to identify the best and most committed applicants. You've watched a couple of my videos now, so I know you're serious. One thing I promise you is that I will have no such pile of resumes to distract me from yours. These people deselect themselves before they get to our application process, and this means that we can give your application the full attention that it deserves. In the next video, I'll tell you more about the technology we use, and my team will talk about their experience with Anyware, so you'll get to know what to expect and you can get a feel for Anyware from a team member's point of view. And later I'll show you what I look for in applicants so you'll find it easier to make the shortlist for any job you apply for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't be too surprised when your workmates become good friends.